Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. The verb be, conjugating the verb be. Present tense, past tense, future tense, first person, second person, third person, singular, and plural. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, let's do it. First person, singular. I am. I am happy. I am happy. First person, plural. We are. We are happy. We are happy. Second person, singular. You are. You are angry. You are angry. Second person, plural. You are. You are angry. You are angry. Third person, singular. He, she, it is. He is angry. She is angry. It is angry. Third person, plural. They are. They are angry. They are angry. Past tense, first person, singular. I was. I was blue. I was blue. First person, plural. We were. We were blue. We were blue. Second person, singular. You were. You were tired. You were tired. Second person, plural. You were. You were tired. You were tired. Third person, singular. He, she, it was. He was tired. She was tired. It was tired. Third person, plural. They were. They were happy. They were happy. Future tense, first person, singular. I shall be. I shall be here tomorrow. I shall be here tomorrow. First person, plural. We shall be. We shall be here tomorrow. We shall be here tomorrow. Second person, singular. You will be. You will be here tomorrow. You will be here tomorrow. Second person, plural. You will be. You will be here tomorrow. You will be here tomorrow. Third person, singular. He, she, it will be. He will be here tomorrow. She will be here tomorrow. It will be here tomorrow. Third person plural. They will be. They will be here tomorrow. They will be here tomorrow. Extension. I am. I am happy. I am happy. We are. We are happy. We are happy. You are. You are angry. You are angry. You are. You are angry. You are angry. He is. He is angry. He is angry. She is. She is angry. She is angry. It is. It is angry. It is angry. They are. They are angry. They are angry. I was. I was blue. I was blue. We were. We were blue. We were blue. You were. You were tired. You were tired. You were. You were tired. You were tired. He was. He was tired. He was tired. She was. She was tired. She was tired. It was. It was tired. It was tired. They were. They were happy. They were happy. I shall be. I shall be here tomorrow. I shall be here tomorrow. We shall be. We shall be here tomorrow. We shall be here tomorrow. You will be. You will be here tomorrow. You will be here tomorrow. You will be. You will be here tomorrow. You will be here tomorrow. He will be. He will be here tomorrow. He will be here tomorrow. She will be. She will be here tomorrow. She will be here tomorrow. It will be. It will be here tomorrow. It will be here tomorrow. They will be. They will be here tomorrow. They will be here tomorrow. Okay, great job. Yeah, you did it. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please check those boxes to get my posts. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, great. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.